Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now today we will learn the new topic which is how to speak or write time in English. As you all can see on the screen that watches and clocks are differentiated here, so we can understand that what is the difference between clocks and what is the difference between watches. Now let's proceed to the clock structure. We can define the clock structure as past and to. So we have divided 0 to 30 minutes for the past, as you all can see here, and we have divided 30 to 60 minutes for to, as you can see here. Now we can understand that how to speak the time between 0 to 30 minutes and 30 to 60 minutes. And we have to remember one thing, that we always write or speak minutes first and then we speak hour. Like for example, if it is 12:05, so how will we speak it? We will speak 5, which is a minute, and past, as it is coming under 0 to 30 minutes. So it's 5 past 12 and we will use the previous hour, which is 12. 12:05 means 5 past 12. And if I say it's 12:40, so how would I say this? 40, which is coming into the 30 to 60 minutes, right? And here I have to use the following hour. So first of all, I will speak the minute. It means 20, because here 20 minutes are remaining to be 1 o'clock. So I will say 20 to 1. Maybe you all can understand that why I have used 20, because there are 20 minutes to become 1 o'clock. Alright, and in first one, 12:05, I used 5 past 12. It means it have completed 5 minutes after 12. That's why. Okay, so let's proceed with some more rules. We will understand that what is English time system and what is 12-hour time based system. English system is 12 hours based and that one is 12 hours based. For example, 0, 0. 0 is to 0, 0. It means 12 a.m. In 12 hours based system, we use AM, PM, so on. But in English system, we do not use AM, PM, but we use 24 hours method directly. For 12 AM, they use 00, 0. For 11, they use 23 hours completed, like so on. The next rule we have in English for speaking the time, that is, when it is the hour, we use o'clock, like 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. Third rule, for quarter, like if it is 15 minutes, 1 hour, 15 minutes. So we use quarter for that while speaking time in English. And for half, 30 minutes. When the hour is, when the minute arm is on 30, then we will say 30 minutes. So we need to take care of the arms of the clock. Then the minutes, that one is the special one. Multiples of 5. If it is 5, 10, 15, 20, then we will do not use minute word while speaking the time, as you can see here in the example. See, it's 6, 1. Okay, so I will say it's 1 minute past 6. It's 1 minute past 6. But while it's 5 or 5, then what I will say? I will say 5 past 5. I will not use minute word here, as it is a multiple of 5. Now we will take some examples. That is, it's 6 o'clock. As it is an hour, so it is 6 o'clock. Now we have next, it's 5 past 6. As we know that this comes under past section and this comes under to section. So we know that this is past section and we know we use previous hour, which is 6. So here 6 past 5. Sorry, 5 past 6. Then we have quarter past 6, as we learned that we use quarter for 15 minutes. So here we can see it's quarter past 6. As we know that it's 30, right? So we will speak it's half past 6. As continued, this is section of 2. So we can say it's 25 to 7, as we learned that for upcoming hour we will speak about remaining minutes. So that is 25 to 7. Now we know that it's 15 minutes gap here. So we will say it's quarter to 7, which is upcoming hour 7. Now it's 5 to 7. It means there are 5 minutes left to become 7. Now it's 7 o'clock. Thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you all get understood the meaning and the differences between to and past section. If there is any confusion, please comment below in the comment section. Thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned, stay connected.